Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, July 11th, 2024. Let's find out what is going on the Bitcoin to Euro at Zondacrypto. You are looking at the daily time frame chart of the Bitcoin to Euro. And as you possibly noticed, we just made another lower low down towards the level of 49,770. Since this level was done, the market managed to bounce a little bit. However, this bounce wasn't that much successful as the previous ones. So we managed to bounce up towards the 54,930. So this is now the technical resistance. And what's important about this situation here is that we are trying to break back up above the level of 50,000, then above the level of 60,000. But the recent pin bar, which looks like a shooting star kind of a pin bar, is sending a very big objection towards the recent upward aspirations. So we got this zone here, 54,930 and 55,328. So this is the first zone of the supply, and then we got this big level here, which is 59,310, and this is the key level that prevents the bulls from moving higher. So this is the first level, this is the second level that we need to keep our eyes on if we see some sort of the upward movements to be let's say continued, right, or if they are about to be resumed. Now, if we add some kind of indicators like RSI, we can clearly see that the market is trying to bounce from the extremely oversold conditions. However, this bounce didn't ever came close to the level of 50, which is the neutral level that separates the negative sentiment from the positive sentiment. So as you can see here, even if we break above the level of 55,328, it's still not enough for this market to enter the positive sentiment territory, positive momentum territory. We need to break above 59,310 in order to do this. And this is the reason why we want to see this kind of a development before saying that the uptrend is back. It's simply not that's kind of easy. We need to see more developments here to see basically that the bulls are stronger than the bears, and they are basically pushing to the upside as hard as they can. The other thing I would like to point out, it's quite obvious. The bounce from the lows, from the recent lows, was made in 3 waves only. I would like to indicate that the previous bounce was made as well in 3 waves only. So it looks like all of these movements here to the upside are just simple corrections during the downswing. ABC to the upside, downswing. ABC to the upside ended with the pin bar candlestick pattern here. The wave C ended with the Harami candlestick pattern, and now it all depends how today's day will be developed, to the upside or to the downside. Will we see confirmation of this downside movement, or if we will not see this kind of a confirmation? So let's stay focused, let's stay vigilant, and see how this situation will develop in the future on the Bitcoin to Euro market. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.